Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about the number system and how to convert decimal numbers into binary and how to perform binary addition and subtraction. Let's get started. Part 1. Number system. A number system is simplified a way of representing numbers. The system we use every day is the decimal system or base 10, which has digits from 0 to 9. Computers, however, use the binary system or base 2, which only has two digits and 0 and 1. Each position is a binary number represents a number of 2, just like in decimal each position represents a power of 10. For example, in decimal, the numbers 345 means 3 hundreds and 4 tenths and 5 ones. In binary, it works the same way but with powers of 2. Part 2. Decimal to binary conversion. Now let's convert a decimal number into binary. Let's take 25 in decimal. Let's divide it in by 2 repeatedly until we reach 0, and we record the remainders. Example 25. Step 1. Divide 25 by 2, we get 12, remainder 1. Step 2. Divide 12 by 2, we get 6, remainder 0. Step 3. Divide 6 by 2, we get 3, remainder 0. Step 4. Divide 3 by 2, we get 1, remainder 1. Step 5. Divide 1 by 2, we get 0, remainder 1. Now if we read the remainders from bottom to top, we get 11001. So the decimal number 25 is equals 11001 in binary. And next, part 3, binary addition. Next, let's look at binary addition. Here is the binary addition table: A plus B, result and carry. And then the important rule we must remember, which is 0 plus 0 equals 0, 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 0 equals 1, 1 plus 1 equals 10, which is 0 with a carry of 1. Now let's do an example, which is 0 with carry 1, 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0, this will become 0, and then bring down 0 because 0 plus 0 equals 0, and then carry 1 in here, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, carry, this will become 0, and then carry 1 here, and then 0 plus 1 equals 1, and then bring down 1, and that's it. The next, part 4, binary subtraction. Now let's try binary subtraction. Here is the subtraction table: A 0 1 1 0, B 0 0 1 1, A to B 0 1 0, negative 1 0 1 0 1, and the result 0 0 0 1 with a borrow. And the rule is 0 minus 0 equals 0, 1 minus 0 equals 1, 1 minus 1 equals 0, 0 minus 1 with borrow becomes 1 minus 1 equals 1. Now let's try an example. And now the example of binary subtraction. And 1 minus 0 equals 1, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, borrow 1 in here, cancel, will become 1, and this become 1, 1 minus 1, 0, and 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0 equals 0, and then the outcome will be 0 0 0 1, and that's it. That's all. In this video, we learned about number system, on how to convert decimal to binary, and how to perform binary addition to and subtraction using simple rules and tables. These basics are the foundation of computer mathematics because binary is the language that computers understand. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand binary math better.